Imagine a world where an entire electric vehicle body, front, rear, underbody, everything, emerges from a single mold in just 90 seconds. Not hours, not minutes, 90 seconds. What used to require hundreds of stamped steel parts, dozens of robots, miles of welding seams, and thousands of man-hours has been reduced to a single thunderous hydraulic stroke. This isn't science fiction. This is the Tesla Giga Press, the largest, most powerful high-pressure die-casting machine ever built by humanity. And in late 2025, Tesla quietly began installing the first 50,000-ton class versions, machines so enormous they make the previous 9,000-ton presses look like toys. This is the story of how Elon Musk and Tesla rewrote the fundamental rules of automobile manufacturing, turning complex assembly lines into something that resembles a futuristic foundry. By the time you finish watching this, you'll understand exactly why traditional automakers are panicking, why billion-dollar factories are becoming obsolete overnight, and why the next Tesla you buy, possibly priced under $25,000, will be stronger, lighter, safer, and cheaper than anything the industry thought possible just 5 years ago. Let's start from the very beginning. Back in the early 2010s, Tesla was still assembling the Model S the old-fashioned way. Stamped steel panels, hundreds of spot welds, structural adhesives, and endless quality checks. Each body in white, the technical term for the structural shell before paint, consisted of over 1,600 individual parts on the Model 3 and Model Y platforms. Welding robots danced around the car for hours, joining everything together. Tolerances sometimes drifted by millimeters, water leaks appeared, and every extra weld added weight and cost. Elon Musk hated this. He kept saying the body is the hardest part of the car. Batteries were getting better every year, motors were already ridiculously efficient, but the body, that sprawling jigsaw puzzle of metal, remained stuck in the 20th century. The breakthrough idea came from an unlikely place: toy cars. Yes, the little Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars you played with as a kid are made in one shot using high-pressure die casting. Musk asked a simple question: why can't we do that at full scale? In 2018-2019, Tesla started working secretly with Idra Group, an Italian company that had been building massive die-casting machines since the 1960s. The first public hint came in 2020 when Tesla ordered the world's largest die-casting machine at the time, a 6,000-ton press from Idra called the OL5500CS. When it arrived at Fremont for the Model Y, people thought Elon had lost his mind. The machine was the size of a small house and weighed hundreds of tons, but the results were immediate and shocking. Instead of assembling the rear underbody from 70 separate parts and nearly 1,800 spot welds, the Giga Press cast it in one single aluminum piece. Cycle time dropped from hours to under 4 minutes. Welds disappeared. Weight dropped by 10 to 15%. Structural rigidity skyrocketed because there were no longer weak points at the joints. Crash performance improved dramatically, and production capacity exploded. By 2021, Tesla was running multiple 6,000-ton and then 8,000 to 9,000-ton machines in Fremont, Shanghai, Berlin, and Texas. The Model Y became the best-selling vehicle on Earth, not just the best-selling EV, largely because Tesla could build so many, so fast, and so consistently. But Musk wasn't satisfied. He wanted the entire unibody, front casting, rear casting, plus central floor, to be replaced by 1 or 2 gigantic castings. That required forces never attempted before in automotive history. So Tesla went back to Idra and said, "Build us something insane." The result is the new Giga Press series, first 12,000-ton machines in late 2024, and now in 2025-2026, the 50,000-ton monsters. These are not incremental upgrades, they are generational leaps. Let's put 50,000 tons into perspective. The largest die-casting machine before Tesla's involvement was around 44,000 tons, used for tiny structural parts in consumer electronics. Tesla's new 50,000-ton Giga Press has a clamping force roughly equivalent to stacking 350 fully loaded Boeing 747 jumbo jets on top of one another. The machine itself is 25 meters long, 8 meters tall, weighs over 1,500 tons, and requires its own dedicated foundation that goes dozens of meters into the ground to prevent the entire factory floor from shaking apart when it fires. The new machines are being installed first in Giga Texas for next-generation vehicles, the so-called Redwood or Model 2 platform, and the dedicated Robotaxi or Cybercat platform unveiled in October 2024. So how does this beast actually work? Step 1. Aluminum melting. Hundreds of tons of high-purity aluminum alloy, typically A356 or proprietary Tesla formulations, are melted in massive 100-ton dosing furnaces at around 750 to 800 degrees Celsius. The alloy includes precise amounts of silicon, magnesium, and strontium for strength and fluidity. Step 2. Transfer. A robotic ladle or automated shot sleeve transfers exactly the right amount of molten metal, hundreds of kilograms, into the shot chamber of the Giga Press. Precision here is critical. Even 1 to 2% too much or too little ruins the part. Step 3. The shot. This is where the magic happens. The machine closes with 50,000 tons of clamping force.
Inside the mold, which itself weighs hundreds of tons and costs tens of millions of dollars, a high-velocity piston injects the molten aluminum at speeds exceeding 10 meters per second, faster than a Formula One car at full throttle. The metal fills every crevice of the mold in less than 0.1 seconds. This is called high-vacuum die casting with real-time control. Tesla pulls a near-perfect vacuum, below 50 millibar, inside the mold before injection to eliminate air pockets that cause porosity and weakness. Thousands of sensors monitor pressure, temperature, piston speed, and metal flow 10,000 times per second. Proprietary AI algorithms adjust parameters on the fly, something no other manufacturer can do at this scale. Step 4. Rapid quenching. Immediately after filling, chilled water channels inside the die cool the casting at rates of hundreds of degrees per second. The entire solidification process takes under 60 seconds. The mold opens, robotic arms extract the glowing red-hot casting, and within 90 seconds total cycle time, a complete vehicle underbody, stronger than steel, lighter than the old multi-part design, is born. No welds, no seals, no dimensional variation. Every single casting is identical to within microns. The benefits are almost hard to believe. Parts reduction from approximately 1,600 parts, Model 3Y old design, to approximately 400, now approaching under 10 major structural castings for the entire vehicle on next-gen platforms. Weight reduction, 10 to 30% lighter body in white. Stiffness increase, torsional rigidity up 50% in some cases. Crash safety, energy absorption zones designed directly into the casting, no weak weld zones. Cost. Manufacturing cost per vehicle drops dramatically. Elon mentioned potentially 50% lower body cost. Speed. A single new 50,000-ton cell can output a complete vehicle structure every 90 to 120 seconds, meaning one machine replaces an entire traditional body shop with hundreds of robots. But the technology inside these new presses is where it gets really wild. 1. Self-learning AI control system. The press literally learns. Every shot is recorded in 3D point clouds and pressure curves. If porosity is detected in one area, the AI adjusts vacuum timing, injection speed, or intensification pressure for the next shot, automatically. Downtime for mold tuning has dropped from days to minutes. 2. Predictive clamping force distribution. The 50,000 tons isn't applied uniformly. Piezoelectric sensors embedded in the platens measure micro-deformations and redistribute force in real time to prevent mold wear and flash. 3. Thermal imaging plus infrared mold monitoring. Hundreds of high-speed infrared cameras watch every square centimeter of the die surface. If one area is 5 degrees too hot, cooling channels are adjusted instantly. 4.
Integrated X-ray and CT scanning. Some lines now have inline X-ray tomography that scans every single casting for internal voids before it even leaves the cell. Defective parts are rejected automatically, zero human inspection needed. 5. Zero lubricant release agents and ceramic coatings. Traditional die casting sprays oily release agents that burn off and create emissions. Tesla's new dies use permanent PVD ceramic coatings and minimal water-based release, dramatically cleaner and faster. The impact on upcoming Tesla vehicles is profound. Next-generation compact vehicle, codenamed Redwood, often called Model 2, expected price $25,000 to $28,000, will use one front plus one rear megacasting, or possibly a single-piece underbody plus roof structure. Production cost estimated 40 to 50% lower than Model 3 or Y today. Cybercab or Robotaxi. Unveiled in 2024, this purpose-built autonomous two-seater will have an extremely simple unibody designed from the ground up around two massive castings. No rear seats, no B-pillar, no pedals or steering wheel, just pure structural efficiency. Second-generation Cybertruck. Rumors suggest the 2026 Plus version will move from the current exoskeleton plus smaller castings to a full megacasting architecture, reducing complexity even further. Possible future van or larger vehicles, the same technology scales up. Traditional automakers are scrambling. BYD is installing 12,000 to 16,000 ton machines in China. Volkswagen ordered several 12,000-ton Giga presses in 2024 to 2025. Toyota announced gigacasting for next-gen EVs. Mercedes, BMW, Hyundai, Kia, GM, everyone is either buying Giga machines or developing their own. But here's the catch. The machine is only 30% of the battle. The other 70% is the alloy chemistry, mold design, vacuum system, real-time control software, and decades of casting know-how that Tesla now owns. Competitors are years behind. Elon Musk has repeatedly said the factory is the product. The real meta advantage Tesla has isn't just batteries or software anymore. It's the ability to design and manufacture at a speed and cost nobody else can match. When the first 50,000-ton Giga Press fired its inaugural shot in Giga, Texas in late 2025, the entire building shook. Engineers watching the monitors saw something never achieved before, a complete vehicle underbody, 6 meters long, emerging perfect on the very first attempt. That moment marked the beginning of the end for traditional automotive manufacturing as we knew it. We are moving towards factories where raw aluminum ingots go in one end and finished painted fully autonomous electric vehicles roll out the other, with almost no human hands touching them, where a single factory can produce 2 to 3 million vehicles per year.
Where the marginal cost of the next car approaches the cost of raw materials and energy. This is not decades away. The first of these uncrewed factories is already under construction. The Giga Press isn't just a bigger machine. It's the physical manifestation of exponential manufacturing progress. It is the reason Tesla can promise a $25,000 vehicle while legacy automakers struggle to make a profitable $40,000 EV. It is why the gap between Tesla and everyone else is no longer widening. It has already become unbridgeable for this decade. So the next time you see a Tesla Model Y or a Cybertruck on the road, remember, hidden beneath that sleek skin is a revolutionary skeleton, born in a 90-second explosion of heat, pressure, and artificial intelligence. And the revolution has only just begun.